In this video, I will show you how to send a contact card in your WeChat app. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WeChat app. After you open up your WeChat, next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and select a particular contact you want to share a contact card with. Like for instance, I'm going to go ahead and simply select a contact from my chat right here. I'm going to simply share a contact to this particular person right here. So I'm going to open up the chat just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on this plus sign right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and slide this way. Then go ahead and click on contact card right here. Just like so. Next thing we want to do right here is that we can select a particular contact we want to share. It can be official account, it can be service account, or we come contact right here, or better still, it can be an individual contact right here. So for that, I'm going to simply go ahead and select this particular contact right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and hit on send, and the contact card is going to be sent to this particular person right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.